How to enable two-factor authentication on BingX. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trading crypto, security should always be on top of your priority list. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account. So here's how you can easily do it. First things first, launch open the BingX application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar or icon. From the expanded menu, click on Security Center. Underneath Security Center tab, you will see security verification options. There will be options such as email verification, phone verification, Google Authenticator, and passkeys. Tap on Google Authenticator for strong protection. Now, you'll need to download and install Google Authenticator app if you don't already have it. If you do, you can tap on Next. If you don't, download it from your App Store or your Play Store. After you do that, you will see this QR code generated and the key generated at the bottom of the screen. Copy the key by tapping Copy Key to set up Google Authenticator faster, and then open up your Google Authenticator app as well. Once you're inside the Google Authenticator app, go to the bottom right and tap on the plus button. Click on Enter a setup key. Now, inside your key, paste in the key that you just copied, and in the account name, go ahead and write in BingX for easy recognition. You can also select the type of your key, whether it is time-based or counter-based. I'm just gonna put it to time-based. Now click Add at the bottom and BingX Authenticator code has been added. Get back to the BingX app and tap Next. And on the next page, you'll need to verify with your email and Google Authenticator. Tap the Send button under Email Verification and wait for the verification code to arrive via email. Now open up your email inbox. Open the email from BingX. Copy the code inside it and get back to the BingX app and paste it inside the email verification tab. Now go to the next field, open up your Google Authenticator app and tap on the code generated by BingX and paste it in the next box. Finally, click Link. Now, you have successfully linked Google Authenticator as your two-factor authentication method. Click Complete at the bottom and you have done it. Enabling two-factor authentication only takes a few minutes, but it can save you from major headaches later. If you're serious about protecting your crypto, this is a must-do step. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.